Hello everyone, this is Salman Pathan from Math.0 channel. So today we will see the problem which is based on definite integral. So our today's question is that evaluate the following integration from 0 to pi by 2 log cos x dx. So first of all we will write our given. So I is equals to integration from 0 to pi by 2 log cos x dx, and we will call this is as equation number 1. Okay, in next step we will use the property of definite integral. Okay, so by using that property, that is integration from 0 to a f of x dx is equals to integration from 0 to a f of a minus x dx. We are using this property for the simplification of our given integral, so we can easily solve our the given or the question which is asked for solution. Okay, so after applying this property to our given integral, we will get I is equals to integration from 0 to pi by 2 log cos, here a, the value of a is pi by 2, that is upper limit, so pi by 2 minus x into dx. Okay, now in next step I is equals to integration from 0 to pi by 2 log cos pi by 2 minus x into dx. Okay, we will write this step as it is, no problem. I is equals to integration from 0 to pi by 2 log, now here cos pi by 2 minus x will be sin x into dx, and we will call this as equation number 2. Okay, so you can write this step. After that step you can write this step. This is by mistakenly double step I have written. Okay, so after this we will take addition of our equation number 1 and equation number 2. So adding equation 1 and 2, we will get this I plus this I is equals to integration from 0 to pi by 2 log cos x dx plus integration from 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx. Okay, I plus I is 2I is equals to, here as the limit are same, that is from 0 to pi by 2, so we can combine this. So 0 to pi by 2 log cos x plus log sin x into dx. So integration from 0 to pi by 2. Now in next step we will use the property of logarithm, that is log a plus log b, that is log ab. Okay, so log cos x into sin x into dx. I hope you are known about the properties of logarithm. If no, then go and see on the Google, or you can also see on YouTube's what are the properties of logarithm, because these are the one of the important steps that are required in our solution to the problems. Okay, now in next step we will write integration from 0 to pi by 2. Okay, uh, the cos x, the multiplication of cos x into sin x, we can write as sin 2x upon 2. Okay, I hope you are known about the double angle formulas of the trigonometry. So by using that we will write log of sin 2x upon 2 into dx. In previous step we use the formula of sin 2x, that is sin 2x equals to 2 sin x into cos x, and as we have to adjust for sin x into cos x, so that implies sin x into cos x is equals to sin 2x upon 2. Okay, this adjustment we have used in previous step. So 2I is equals to integration from 0 to pi by 2 log of sin 2x upon 2 into dx. Okay, now again we will use one of the property of logarithm. So log of a upon b is equals to log a minus log b. Okay, now in next step we will use method of substitution in this case. Okay, so we will write this as a separate, so you can easily understand. Log sin 2x dx minus integration from 0 to pi by 2 log 2 dx. So put 2x is equals to t. After taking derivative, we will get 2 dx is equals to dt. That implies dx is equals to dt upon 2. As it is definite integral, we have limits, so limits will also get changed. So when x equals to 0, then t is equals to 0. Okay, now when x equals to pi by 2, then t is equals to, here x equals to pi by 2, 2 get cancelled, so t is equals to pi. So after substituting these changes in our given integral, we will get integration from 0 to pi. T is vary from 0 to pi log sin t into value of dx is dt by 2 minus integration from 0 to pi by 2 log 2 dx. Now in next step, this 1 by 2 which is constant we will take out of integral. So 2I is equals to integration from 0 to pi, okay, log sin t minus integration from 0 to pi by 2 log 2 dx. Okay, now in next step we will do we will use we will divide this integration limit, as it is from varies from 0 to pi, so we will write into two terms, that is 0 to pi by 2 plus 0 to pi by 2. So that is 2I is equals to 1 by 2 into 2 times 0 to pi by 2 log sin t minus integration from 0 to pi by 2 log 2 dx. Okay, now this 2 and this 2 will be cancelled. Now in next step we will write 2y is equals to integration from 0 to pi by 2 log sin t minus integration from 0 to pi by 2 log 2 dx. Now again we will use one of the property of definite integral, that is integration from 0 to a f of x dx is equals to integration from 0 to a f of t dt in this case. Okay, so 2I is equals to integration from 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx, here it is dt, minus this log 2 is constant, so we will take out of integral, so log 2 into integration from 0 to pi by 2 dx. Now 2I is equals to this integration from 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx is equals to our equation number second. Okay, so that is value is equals to I, so I minus log 2 integration of x dx will be, sorry, integration of dx, that is x from 0 to pi by 2. Okay, so 2I, this I will be transformed from this side, that is LHS. It will give minus log 2, uh, putting the upper limit and lower limit, pi by 2 minus 0. Okay, so 2I minus I is equals to I is equals to minus log 2 into pi by 2. So this pi by 2 is constant, so we will take here on this side, and here we have minus log 2. So I is equals to pi by 2. We know that minus log 2 is equals to log of 1 by 2. It is also one of the property of logarithm. So I is equals to pi by 2 log 1 by 2 is our final answer. I hope you are understanding the explanation to the problems, and if you have any doubt you can put in comment box. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thank you.